Are you a new student at Columbia State or a fairly new student who has only been attending one semester and has earned less than 24 semester credit hours? Then, the following video will show you how to make your appointment. This video will be geared to the first-time student, so we will be making a first-time advising appointment. First, we want to type in www.columbiastate.edu. Then we're going to put /navigate at the end. And you can tell that I put an apostrophe, so it threw me off. Okay. You can download the app from either the Apple or Google Play Store, or you can just click on the link. You're going to log in with your username and password that was sent to you with your acceptance letter. Or if you've changed it, your password, enter that password. Once you log in, you will come to this screen. You should have some to-dos and events if this is your first time to log in to Navigate. Right now, I want to make an advising appointment, so I'm going to click on Appointments. I want to schedule an appointment for advising. I'm new student, so I'm going to do less than 24 earned semester credit hours. I want a first-time advising appointment. You can choose a campus, or you can choose the virtual campus. It doesn't matter if you do choose an actual campus, you will still be meeting with the advisor remotely. Now there are several options available, so I'm just going to click through because I just really want the first available that fits my schedule. Okay, so there's one appointment left on May 14th at 4 p.m. And then there's there's several on May 15th. And you can see this number underneath tells you how many are available. Let's say I want to go ahead and snag that 4 p.m. tomorrow. I will be meeting with Ms. Bullock. Here is her phone number, and there's really nothing specific I want to discuss, but I am going to ask that the meeting please occur by phone. If I wanted Zoom, I could put Zoom. And then confirm appointment. Once I have hit confirm appointment, an email goes to my Columbia State email address and the advisor's Columbia State email address to let them know they have an appointment scheduled. And you will see that my first time advising appointment all shows up under my appointments. Thank you.